you'll learn how to In this lesson, you'll learn how to create products. We'll create a group of products that will be used later in our training. At the end of this lesson, I will be putting up a table with all the products and their features so you can reference it when you enter in the products in your own environment later. So we have some terminology I'd like to go over before we get into creating our products. First, we have our product code. This is a specific code that we reference for our product throughout our opportunities, quotes, and accounts. Next, we have our product family. This is a system of like groupings of products. Currently, you'll see that we have our hardware, software, accessories, services, and support product families. Next, we have our prices. In this lesson, we're going to hard code in some standard prices for each product. Then we have our subscription pricing. As you can see, that doesn't apply to every product, only to subscription products. So SteelBrick CPQ adds additional custom fields to products that allow you to do subscription pricing. Subscription pricing can be based on either fixed price or percent of total. Fixed price uses the price in the price book, and percent of total dynamically calculates the price as a percentage of the total quote. Additionally, the percent of total can be based on some quote items using a filter, quote items in a group or all. So just note, this means price will not be based off the standard price of the product. Associated with that, you have your subscription term. This is where you enter the length of the subscription. This could be in months or days based on the subscription term setting in the product object. Usually this is done in months. Then we have our subscription category. So here you'll notice we have our hardware and software subscription categories. These are subscription categories used if you want to limit the items used to calculate a percent of total. You'll select the value that all line items should have to be included in the calculation. By default, there are only two options. You can add values by editing the subscription category pick list on the products object. So you'll leave this field blank if you want all products to be included in this percent of total calculation. Just to note, users will be able to apply an additional subscription scope on the quote itself that further limits the percent of total calculations to products in a single group. And finally, we have the subscription percent. You'll notice we only have the subscription percent applied on the products that are percent of total subscription pricing products. So subscription percent specifies the percent of non-subscription total to be used as the price of the subscription. So SteelBrick CPQ calculates the price of a subscription product on a non-subscription quote by multiplying this percent by the sum of list or net prices. This depends by what you choose in the subscription base. I will only be adding the appliance monitoring, and hardware maintenance products during this demo, just to show you kind of one of each of the products, how to add them. Click the New button found on the Products tab in order to begin adding your products. The first product will be named Appliance. Our product code will be Appliance in all caps. Always make sure to mark the products that you are adding as active. Otherwise, this can cause some headaches later. This product belongs to the hardware product family. Select Hardware as the subscription category. Because we still have to add the price associated with this product, click Save and Add Price. Our price for our appliance is $1,000. We'll be clicking Save and New Product since we have an entire list of products to be adding. The appliance monitoring product belongs to the software product family. Select a fixed price subscription pricing with a subscription term of 1. Select a software subscription category. The price of the appliance monitoring product is $100. The hardware maintenance product belongs to the support product family. Select percent of total subscription pricing with a subscription term of 12. Select the hardware subscription category. Enter a subscription percent of 25 and ensure that the subscription base is list, even though that's usually the default. Enter a price of $0, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Save since I am done adding my products. Once you've added all these products to your environment, here's what they'll look like on your Products tab. Even though during the demo I only showed you how to add the appliance monitoring, and hardware maintenance products, I'd like you to add all these products to your demo environment. You'll definitely want to use this slide for reference. Adding the rest of the products follow the exact same guidelines as the ones I showed you. Good luck!